me turn my like this one. Oh. I had a bloody nose this morning, and I coughed up. I coughed out like a blob of blood. Yeah. Anyways. Here's some World's Most Violin to listen to. Made it easier.